Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 445 different strategies, with 137 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 344 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,059 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says the best Tradingview buy and sell signal indicator. These high profit signals. And so we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this indicator. And this is just going to be an indicator testing video, not a strategy testing video, because in the source video they only used one indicator. And that indicator is the setup 1, 2, 3 scalper indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings, and the only modifications you're going to make is under the styles. You're going to uncheck the bar color and uncheck the plot, and then click OK. I also changed the this plot color right here. It was yellow. I made it blue just so that way it stands out just a tad bit more on the lighter background. And so, first off, according to the source video, this is not a buy-sell signal indicator. It does not give you buy and sell signals. You have to interpret what it's doing to determine when you're going to buy or sell. And so, right off, that's a little bit dishonest there. But nonetheless, what we are looking for is we are looking for when the blue line crosses down below the green and red line. I wonder, let's see, is there a name for this? No, there's not a name for it. So you have the blue and red line, sorry, the green and red line, and you have the blue line, the skinnier of the two lines. And for a short trade, you can see here that that blue line crosses down below that green and red line. And anytime the blue line is down below that green and red line, it is red. Anytime it's above that line, it is green. And so it crosses down, turning that line red, and then what you're looking for is the first red candle after that cross to be displayed. In this case, it was the same candle, or this same candle as the cross took place. And so you can see here that as it crossed, we get a red candle closing on that same candle. And so that would be the signal to enter into a short, and we'd put our trade here. We're going to put our stop right at the, we'll call that the moving average line, just for the sake of easiness, or the scalper line, that green and red line. And we put our stop at that scalper line there, and we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. So it takes just a little bit, we kind of run into consolidation, then we make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for when that blue line crosses up above the scalper line and it turns that line green, like it does right here. And again, in this case, we're looking for the first green candle to be displayed or printed once that cross takes place. And again, it's on the same exact candle that cross happens on. So right here, this green candle and the cross all takes place on the same candle. That'll be our signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right at that scalper line, and we're going to target the same 1 to 2 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. This one gets a little bit better action there as we make this really nice strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, it's 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. But with the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $300 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,200 for an overall loss of $600 altogether. So a little bit of a loss, pretty much break even. Spreads and commissions would have been even more of a loss, so definitely not the best buy sell signal indicator. Definitely not getting high profits either. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 39 trades altogether. We had 34 winning trades and 5 losing trades. That's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $8,400. So definitely better results. And if you would use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would increase the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $14,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 70. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. It's using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. That's 70 winning trades in a row, maintaining a 100% win rate over 4 months on a live trading account. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money-back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join the Discord to look at the money-back guarantee right here if you are interested in becoming a profitable trader. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this indicator on the no list and move on to the next video from here.